Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a decorative festive wreath. You'll need two wooden hoops, eucalyptus. I'm using a Faux eucalyptus plant, fishing line, twine, and a scissors. So the first thing you're doing is to tie the two hoops together. You're going to need two sizes. One should be bigger than the other. I think the diameter of this is 8 inches and 12 inches. So now you're going to tie both together. I had the option of cutting out the branches or the stems one by one, but I think I would need the Faux eucalyptus even after Christmas, so I didn't go through that route. So what I did was to just attach the full branch like that and then tie with my twine. You can also get creative and do it any way that suits you or suits your Christmas decorations. Then all I'm doing next is just to make sure that it is tight, and that's almost we're almost done with that. Then now I want to attach my pine cones and berries. I'm attaching this using the double-sided tape for a more permanent if you want it to be more permanent and stronger, you'd actually use your glue gun, but I opted for the double-sided tape because I might be changing it into something else very soon. So yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. I think this is the easiest thing to come up with, and it's giving me the whole Scandinavian vibes, and it's very simple and it's also very minimal. So I want to sort of secure the branches firmly to the hoops, so I'm doing that using the fishing line, because the fishing line is transparent and so it's not going to be visible like that. And guys, that's it. Once I'm done with that process, I want to attach a rope for hanging. It depends on you if you want to hang it, if you want to just use the double-sided tape to fix it to the wall. The ball is really in your court. And that's it, guys. This is the first DIY I'm doing for this whole series, the 12 DIYs of Christmas. Be sure to check out the other DIYs. Till next time, bye bye.